holds so much stuff. Honeybees, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ciara and I do videos on beauty, finance, and lifestyle. Let's get into this video. Okay, so there's gonna be two parts to this video. The first part is gonna be what's in my bag for 2019 or spring and summer 2019. The particular bag I'm going to show you guys I have hauled, so I will link that above and below. And when I did haul it, I got a ton of people asking me could I do an updated what's in my bag. So the first part of this video is going to be that, and then I'm also going to be unboxing some other Luxe for Less goodies, so stay tuned. The bag that I am going to be showing you guys is my Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM Damier Azur, and it's got the rose ballerine interior. So here is the interior of the bag, and you can kind of see everything that I have in there. Okay, so the first thing that I have is a notebook. I am always writing things down on the go, taking notes for work, for YouTube, for whatever, for life. The iPad Mini 5, and I actually just got this bad boy and I really love it. I filmed an unboxing actually, as well as how to make your iPad aesthetic AF in your phone, so I will be editing and uploading that soon. Yeah, this is nice to have on the go, to just throw in my bag, to watch movies, to read books. That's what I mostly do. I can watch YouTube videos, I mean, whatever. Y'all know what an iPad does. So I have some little pouches, and these are empty for now. This is the one that comes with the bag. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here yet, but I've been trying to preserve it and keep it clean, so I haven't been putting too much stuff in here. I have this big old purse organizer, and I got it from Amazon. I'll link it below. So on the interior, I have a couple books. This is actually a book called She Means Business. It's about entrepreneurship. And then I have another notebook. You guys think I write enough or take notes enough? My wallet that I did haul in the same video that I hauled this purse, so I will link that video as well as the site that I got my purse and my wallet from, and the goodies that you'll see later on in this video. I only keep my important cards and cash and stuff like that in here for now. Again, I'm trying not to be a pack rat and like just throw everything in my bag for the sake of throwing everything in my bag. I recently got this Kate Spade Wellesley planner. I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with it. I have just been going to town on like making dividers and just writing things down, keeping track of things, clipping things, putting in folders. I absolutely love this little planner, and I love that this is pink. It just holds so much stuff. It's so useful for so many things, and I can just take it on the go with me in my work bag or in this bag, and I just love it. It's like my little baby on the go planner. If you guys want a video detailing like how I plan in this, like what sections I have, what stickers I use, dividers, stuff like that, then let me know. Keep my power bank in here. You never know when you're gonna need juice for your phone, of course. And then for smaller things, I have my business card holder, gum, a lipstick and a lip gloss, my sunglasses, hand sanitizer, perfume for on the go, and I keep a little hand cream. This is in the Stars from Bath & Body Works, my absolute fave in candle scent everything, so I keep these everywhere with me. I love how like fruity it smells. It's my favorite. So yeah, that is everything that I am keeping in my Neverfull GM right now. Like I said, I'm just trying to keep it more minimalistic and not go overboard, but I am loving this bag so far, and I'm loving how sturdy it is, and I just love this for summer and spring. If you see me this summer and spring, like, this is my go-to bag. You'll see me with this bag most likely. I think it's so pretty and dainty and feminine, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, so that is what I keep in my bag. Okay, so now that I've shown you what is in my bag, I want to unbox some more goodies, some more Luxe for less. I have some Chanel items, Louis Vuitton, and Gucci. I'm so excited to show you guys these items because I've kept them in the boxes so that I could unbox them with you guys, and now I can finally unbox them. So here we go. The first thing is this. Oh, and before I get started, I do want to let you guys know that I got all these items from the same place. They're beautiful dupes, and if you are trying to get a Luxe experience and look for less, I definitely recommend this site. I will link it below, and I recommend it to anyone. I've had a great experience, and if you're not wanting to spend a ton of money on like luxury goods, then this is the site for you. So okay, so yeah, so here's the first thing. Woo! Chanel glasses. It come in this classic Chanel sunglass case, and here they are. Super beautiful. I love these so much. As you can see, they have the Chanel logo on both sides of the front, and it's also etched into the back, or the sides I should say. They're just so luxe and they're sturdy. I love these. These are coming with me everywhere from now on, and it comes with a beautiful case so it can still look cute and in your purse and stay protected. Next item, let's see, and it comes in the dust bag, as most Louis Vuitton wallets do. And here we go. Ooh. This is a damier azure wallet with a little tiny rose ballerine button right there, and it opens up like this. It's actually the same style as my pink one, but this one is in the damier azure print. So yeah, it just opens up like that, and it just has the same different compartments for cash and coins, and you can put your credit cards or whatever. I love that the interior is pink. It's so feminine and girly, but it's still classy. So definitely, if you do want to try out like a luxury brand wallet and you want to order from this site to see what it's going to be like, then this is the closest thing you're going to get to it. So this right here is a Gucci item. This is a Gucci monogram belt. This is the big one. So I have a smaller one, but this is the big boy. As you can see, it's got the gold G's, and it's got a wide belt. Absolutely love this. Like, you could wear it with a dress and cinch your waist in, or you know, you could just be creative. You could wear it with a skirt and a cute top, and then this goes in the middle. But whatever you wear it with, this is just gonna look so good. So yeah, this one looks so good. As y'all can see, gold is like my thing. Like, I pretty much only wear gold, and so I definitely can't wait to pair this up with a really cute outfit. So if you have been lusting after this Gucci belt, whether it's the big one or the smaller size, definitely check this site out, because their belts are really cute. This is heavy. This doesn't have like a cheap feel. This is really heavy and sturdy, and you can just tell that this is gonna last you for a super long time. And you can always keep it in the dust bag to preserve the life of it if you want to. This is the Gucci belt. And last but not least is this Chanel. This was on my luxury wish list. So this is what the box looks like. Chanel box. Alrighty. This is what the dust bag looks like. Right, and here we go. Ooh. This is, I believe this is the boy bag. As you can see, this is pink, and this is like that bubblegum pink. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but this is pink with gold hardware. So again, I love the gold detail on this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Look at that hardware. The gold in the strap is absolutely gorgeous. This is the inside. Pretty simple. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. Has a pretty good amount of space. You wouldn't necessarily want to put like a ton of things in here. I would think you would just want to put like maybe a wallet and a lip gloss. So let's see, my pink wallet, do not want to have any more than like a large wallet and maybe a lip gloss or your phone or something like that. But yeah, this is absolutely gorge. I hope you guys can see it. The sun keeps going in and out and it's making it hard for me to get consistent lighting. Okay, so that's everything for this video, everything of what's in my bag for 2019 spring and summer, and some new items that I will be rocking. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely make sure to check out the website below where I got all of these Luxe for Less items. I definitely am very pleased with this company and with shipping and everything, and I fully recommend it. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. Comment below. I want to know, when it comes to luxury for less, do you guys like these videos, or do you guys want me to stop doing these videos? I just want to get feedback on if you guys like unboxings and things like that, and videos on how to get more luxury items for less and things like that. So definitely let me know down below, as well as if you do, make sure to hit the like button because it lets me know you guys like it and I should make more. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit the bell button so you can get notified of when I do upload more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.